Today, we're diving into the features of the Honeywell Air Genius 5 Air Purifier, a powerhouse for large rooms that tackles smoke, wildfire smoke, dust, pollen, pet dander, and more. This sleek black purifier is Energy Star and AHAM certified, boasting a permanent, washable filter and pre-filter, which means you won't need to buy replacements, saving you money over time. It cleans the air an impressive 4.8 times per hour and even doubles as an oscillating fan, making it perfect for all seasons. Whether you're dealing with spring and fall pollen, year-round dust, or just want a refreshing breeze in the summer. With 5 air cleaning levels, quiet operation, and a floor accent night light option, this purifier is designed for powerful yet peaceful performance. Plus, it offers a convenient auto-off timer with settings ranging from 2 to 12 hours, ensuring you have clean air exactly when you need it. Trust the air you breathe with the Honeywell Air Genius 5 and experience a new level of air quality in your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.